Hello again everybody. Today I'm gonna show you amazing card trick by Chris Angel. Amazing table. Look at it's a black and it's a blue. Anyway, it's on Amazon. So here we go. I have a, I have a face down cards here. All face down cards. Okay. So one little snap is a fast trick actually. And that's a one little snap. I want the two absorbing cards to flip other cards over. And here we go. I will absorb other cards. Here we go. And there it is. So, look at the eye spreading the cards. Oh my god. Look at that. All cards are flipped. So I will get the backs. I will get. There is still face up cards. Still face up cards. I will get back into the face down cards. So here we go. Watch, I will want an absorber. Another absorber to get back the cards. And here we go. Wait a minute. So all cards, I remember all cards is face up cards. So I will absorb other to face it there. So watch. And there's that face down card. Look at that, I spreading it. Face down cards. Oh my god. Only amazing table. So this is a real code trick and this is the tutorial. So you all need to do to get 3 random cards and the bottom of the deck and the face to face. Look at it. Looks I have a double back deck. Okay, so show it's a face on card. Don't show the bottom because it's flashing the random. So because there's this. So you say you're flipping all cards over and you will square the, you will get blur the card like that. At the point you're doing like that, you're squaring, you simply flip the cards over and square them up. And one little snap, you say you need the 2 cards to absorb others. You only need 2. If you need 3, it's flashing other cards. So that is, and absorb. You say absorb. You absorbing other cards, flip them over, and spread them all. Make sure you don't flashing that face on card. So continue spreading the cards, and the spectator believes. And you say you're getting back the cards face down and get 1 card if 2 cards you're showing that. So you show first you have all face up cards and you 1 cards and let it absorb. You say you absorbing other cards and scroll them up again. At that point, scrolling up, flip them over again. So you do a slow-mo like that. So it depends performance. You need a little bit practice of that. Okay. So that is. God. Okay. You need a little bit practice of that. And 1 little snap. showing all cards. You don't flash that one face up card, okay? And that one, and you're starting at the top, so don't make it other flash. And that is. So, to my update of everybody's magic backpack, see ya. It likes get some fat pack of airsoft 6, but this everybody's magic pack update. So I will adding inside a girly card like Eric Serfix, a girly card, and I don't know, and a secret prize inside. I can tell you what's that, but I adding a secret prize and a girly card. So that's my video again. See you in next video. See ya.